Yeah. Now, yeah. So we are discussing about data types, right? So what is the data type, guys? Let's suppose commonly in Java program, so where we will store our class. Okay, in the class, what we have, collection of common properties and common behaviors, right? So common properties means what? Variables. Okay. So finally, we will store the value into the variables. Okay. Finally, to whom we will assign the value? Variable only. So finally, for that variable, we need to allocate memory in the, we need to allocate the memory, right? For the variable only, we need to allocate the memory, right? Okay. So where we will allocate memory, guys? Okay. Let's suppose in Java program means, okay, in JVM, okay, so we will allocate memory for that, right? So in order to allocate memory, so we need to inform to the computer, right? Computer don't know anything about it, okay? We need to inform to the computer which type of variable it is, which type of data it is. The variable, okay, which contains data, that data, which type of data it is, right? We need to inform, right? So that is called data type, guys. Hope you guys are understood. So now let's discuss about short, guys, right? Short data type. Tell me. So what is the size of this short, guys? What is the size of this short? Byte means 1 byte. Okay. What is the short size? Come on, tell me the people who knows Java. 2 byte.
Minus 2 power of 15 to 2 power of 15 minus 1.
I'm asking size, yeah. Who is that?
16 bits. 16 bits.
Okay. Size
2
2
bytes.
byte. Okay. So range. Okay. What would be the range?
Minus 2
Minus.
power of 2 power of 15 to 2 power of 15 minus 1.
Let's suppose for short. So what we are saying, 2 bytes, right? 2 bytes means how many bits, guys? 1 byte means how many bits? 8 bits, right? So 2 bytes means how many bits, guys? 16 bits, right? So in computer, how the the content will store, guys, in the bit only. Okay, if you write anything, finally it will convert it to bit. Okay, it will store into bit format only. Okay, so how many bytes we have for short data type? 2 bytes. 2 bytes means how many? 16, right? So like that, 16 we have. Sorry, guys, but it exists. Okay, like that, 16. So now it is 1 1. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, and 16, right? So now this is what, guys? This is what the first one. Come on, tell me. MSB, most significant bit. Okay. All the integral data types are what? Finite data types, right? Hello. Yes, come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please unmute yourself and follow me. Okay. So otherwise I cannot continue class, guys. Please try to understand. Okay. That is my weakness, actually. If you guys are saying follow with me, then I can understand. Okay, these guys are understood. So most significant bit. This is called what? Signed bit, right? This is what? Signed bit. Okay. This is what? Signed bit.
Signed bit.
Okay. So we will store only signing value in the first bit, guys, either plus or minus. Okay. Yesterday we see, right? No need to discuss about it. So now, how many, if you out of 16, okay, if you separate this most significant bit, how many bits we have, guys? Remaining 15 bits. Okay, 15 bits we have. So for positive numbers, already yesterday we discussed directly. For positive numbers, directly will be stored into the, will be represented into the memory. Okay. So now here 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4, like that if you do, okay. And if you here, okay, so That's what. How many total? 15, right? 2 power 15 minus 2 power 15. So minus values, how it will be stored? In 2's complement. Okay. So minus values will be represented into 2's complement. So minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. Understand? Hello. We have to remove one value,
Sir.
right? So that's what 2 power 15 minus 1. So that is the value, guys. Understand? Just calculate. Yesterday we calculate, right? 2 power 0 into 1. Okay. Like the 2 power 0 into 0, 2 power 1 into 1, 2 power 2 into like plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4. Like that yesterday we calculated, right? For byte 1. Okay. If you calculate like that, okay, we will get some value, guys. Okay. So this is the range actually. Understand? So the range would be, if you see, minus 2 power 15 means what? What is the value, guys? Finally, open your calculator and tell me.
32,768.
Minus 32,768.
Yes.
768.
Yeah, 768. And next one, 32,767.
767.
Okay. So this is the range, guys, for short. Understand? So this is the range for short data types, guys. Okay. So actually, in real time, okay. So no one is using these short data types, guys. Okay. So today only we discussing short. Okay. In our entire course, we never discuss about the short data type. Okay. So why we are not using the short data types means, so earlier in 1995, so that time I think Java, the first version has been released, right? So 1995, 96, 97, and by that time, okay, we have processors, guys. Okay, 16-bit processors. You know, I think might be you people don't know. Okay, so your generation don't know about these microprocessors, guys. Okay. Like 16-bit processors we have. Okay. So that time, these are the popular, okay, microprocessor 8085. Okay. 8085, 8086, 8086. So these are the microservices processor. That time is very popular, guys. These 8085 and 8086 are 16-bit processors. Okay. What are these? 16-bit processors, guys. 16-bit processors. Okay. So that time, okay, this sorted data types people are using. Why this is 16-bit processors? This is also 16-bit processors. Then for sort data type also what 16-bit processor. Okay. To reading, I mean it will be very easy. Okay. To reading purpose, readability will be improved while using 16-bit processor. But nowadays, no one is using the 16-bit processors. Nowadays, everyone 32-bit, 62-bit, right? 64-bit. These are the processors we are using, right? So 8085 and 8086 16-bit processors are completely outdated nowadays. Okay. So that's why even sort data type also outdated, guys. Okay. Hope you understand. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Let me open our Eclipse IDE. Okay. So now yeah. Can you see my screen, right, everyone?
Yeah.
Can you see my Eclipse IDE?
Zoom. Sir, Zoom meeting.
Zoom only you are seeing.
Yeah.
Once you open this real whiteboard, I think it won't allow us to share any other screen. Okay. So now, can you see my screen? Hope you guys are seeing.
Yeah.
Eclipse IDE.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. So, might be from Okay. So now, okay. So we will go with next data type, right? Okay. What is the other one? What you want to see now? Size. Sorry, which one?
Chart.
Chart. Okay. Your byte, right? Let me put data type demo. Okay. The file name also we need to rename it, right? Which one? Data type
Demo.
demo. Okay. Now, see. So as of now, we see byte data type. Okay. Now we will go with short. Okay. Here we will see first. Tell me what is the shortcuts for sysort?
Control
space. So yeah. So now here, what I want to see, size of, you need to see, right? Practically, size of sort data type, right?
Yeah.
What is the size of sort data type? How can we see,
Chart.
guys? Come on.
Chart.
What is, we need to use wrapper class, right?
Wrapper class.
Sort dot
Size.
Okay. Sort dot size means what? By default, we will see in the bits format, right? Okay. Next one.
Minimum value.
Range. Okay. You want to see range of the range, right? Let's see min value range. Okay. Min value range. How can we see? Come on.
Chart dot
Short dot
value.
min value, right? Next one.
Max.
Come on. Sysout control space. Next. Max value range. Max value range. Come on. How can we see?
Chart.
Short dot
Max value.
max value. Okay.
In
See here,
line,
when you click on dot, you will see all the variables and methods in that class, guys. Okay. Already we discussed means class is what, and then member of variables and member methods. Okay. See, if you see all the variables and methods. Okay. If you use Eclipse IDE integrated environment means, so this is the advantage, guys. That's max value. Okay. Let me now everything is okay, right? Now let me run this program. So compilation also completed is successful. Now
Sir,
run as come on, tell me.
in place of min value, you kept max values.
Hmm?
Short dot max value.
Okay, okay here. Yeah. Fine. Okay, I'm running the application. See, size of sort data type 16-bit. Okay, so by default it will give you 16-byte rate, minus 32,768 range 32,767. So that's what we discussed, right? So if you want into byte, okay, byte format, we can do size into how many? Each 8 bits, right? Okay, that's it only, right? 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, right? Okay, now it will give you in the byte format. Okay, data types. Sort data types 2 bytes. What is the range size? 2. Okay, guys. Hello. Come on.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
So here,
Sir.
see, yesterday we see, right? Byte length is equal to 128. If you put 128 means what? It will give you compile time error, possible loss of precision. Okay. So now the same value I can give short. Okay. Something. something guys, some variable I'm taking. Okay, name. Weight equals to, just I'm giving 128 kgs. Okay. See, it will not give you any compile time error. Why? The value what we are giving within the range of sort. Okay. What is the range, guys? 32,768, right? That's right, right? 32,767, positive. So 128 means within the 32,767 range only, right? So that's why it will not give you any, okay, any compile time error, guys. Understand? Now, if I give short, okay. If I give 32,768, if I give, we will get compile time error. What is the compile time error we will see, guys? Tell me, what is the compile time error we will see? Huh? No, what is the compile time error we will see? That's what I'm saying. 32,768 I'm assigning, okay, for short data type. What is the compile time error we will see? Yesterday we discussed it, right?
Found in required short.
Possible loss of precision. Okay, possible
Possible.
loss of precision. This set 32,768, what type it is? Int type. Every integral type, okay, by default it will be converted into int. Okay, but if you assign, if the int value is specific range, within the specific range, okay, for the data type what we are using, then we will not get any compile time error. If it is out of range, then only we will get compile time error. Understand? Here what 32,768. 32,768 means what is the size of short data type, range of short data type? 32,767, right? But we are using 32,768. Understand? 32,768 means what? It's a out of range of short data type. So it will comes under where? Int data type range. Okay. So here what? Possible loss of precision found in required short. So that is the compile time error we will see, guys. Understand? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So already yesterday we discussed why we are getting, see, possible loss of precision and incompatible type also we discussed, right? Now, let me put 3 equals to, okay, I'm assigning something. What is the compile time error we will see now? What is the compile time error we will see? Come on, guys.
Incompatible type found
Yeah.
char
Found chara.
required short.
Found chara. Is it char? The value
Char.
if you put within double quote is chara.
String.
String.
Char.
The people who know
String.
Java, the basic Java, we are saying, right? We know basic Java, basic Java means. Well, then what you guys are doing here? You guys has to tell, right? If you know the basic Java. I'm asking only basic only, right? So here 34,567, the value where I kept under double quotes. Under double quotes means what it will by default, it will be string type. Okay, it will be string literal. So here I'm trying to assign string literal to which data type? Short data type. Okay, short data types. So now if you try to compile this program, what we will see, guys? Possible loss of precision. What kind of error message we will see? Possible loss of precision, found string, required sorter. Come on, guys.
Incompatible types. Incompatible types.
Here incompatible types. Here not possible loss of precision. Okay. Here completely type is different. See, byte, short, int, long, float, double. What are these, guys? These are integral data types, right? Okay. These are what? Numeric data types, number type data types. Okay. But here string, char, boolean, what are these? These are non-numeric data types. So here we are trying to assign string value to the short data type with completely type mismatch, incompatible type. Understand? So this time we will see compile time, incompatible type, found string, required short. So that is the compile time error message we are going to see, guys. Understand? So now the above one, okay, 32,768. What it is? Int type. Okay, we are trying to assign to what? Short type. Okay, int type and sort type comes under what? Number data type, right? So that's what there we are seeing. What is the error message? Possible loss of precision. Yesterday, I think already we discussed, right? We have taken one real world example also. If you are purchasing 10 kg rice, yeah, but you are taking only, I mean, what do you call the rice bag? 5 kg bag only you are taking. So how can you put 10 kg rice into 5 kg bag? Understand? What we will see? We will lose remaining 5 kg data, right? You will lose remaining 5 kg rice, right? So that is called possible loss of precision, guys. Hope you guys are understood. Hello, understand everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called sort data type. Okay. Hope you people understand, right? Let me uncomment it.
Sir,
Hmm.
I'm getting error and type mismatch can't convert from string to shorts.
Hmm?
For me, error is showing the type mismatch can't convert from string to shorts.
Where it is showing?
Confused.
In Eclipse ID, yeah?
Yes, sir, Eclipse ID.
So Eclipse ID it will show, but if you see actual error message, okay, by using normal command prompt, okay, try to compare in command prompt, okay, you will see. Okay, yeah. So now we completed, right, sort, okay. Sort data type is best suitable for 16-bit processor like 8085 and 806, but these processors are completely outdated, hence the corresponding sort data type also outdated. Okay. Okay, guys. After sort, what is the next data type? Come on, int data type. Okay. What is the size of the int data type? What is the size of the int data type, guys?
32.
4 bytes, right? Okay. What is the range of this int data type?
Minus 2 power 32.
Minus 2 power
32.
minus 2 power. I'm writing just like this, guys. Okay. This is called 30 power. 2 power 31 to, come on, 2 power 31 minus 2, right? Minus 1. So this is the range, guys. Okay. I think I don't no need to explain again. Okay. So just 4 bytes means what? How many bits? 32 bits. Okay. 32 bits means the first bit for what? Silent. Okay. Remaining how many we have? 31. 31 to minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. So that is the int range, guys. Okay. So just calculate. I think it would be like minus, okay, 2147483648 like that. That is the range. Okay. So already we discussed, right? So what is the by default type for every integral type literal, guys? Okay, int type, right? So int data type actually we are using in our Java program, guys. Okay, understand? Most of the time we will use int data type. The most commonly used data type in Java is what? The most commonly used data, okay, data type in Java is int. Okay, so we will see the program. Can you see my Eclipse IDE, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you want to write one more program or can we continue with the same application?
Continue.
Okay, and we'll continue with here. Yes, we want to see this one, right? Range of this int type. This out. Come on, tell me.
Size of int.
Size. Okay. Size of int type. What would be the size of int type? Come on, tell me.
Integer
How
dot
can we
size.
see?
Integer dot size.
We need to see integer wrapper class, right? Integer size. Okay. Divided by, we need to see into bytes format, right? That's what divided by size. Okay. Next, come on. What we want to see? Let me copy this one. Okay. Yeah. Here what? Instead of in short, integer. Okay. Here also integer. Okay, guys. Understand? Let me write. Just want to see. Just I want to make separation. Okay, that's it. So now let me run it. What is output you are seeing here? See. Size of int type is 4. Okay, understand, guys? Size of int type is 4 bytes. Okay, min value range. This is the min value. This is the max value range. Okay, guys. This is the min value. This is the max value range. Just I want to put some space, guys. Here, size of bytes int type. Which these are bytes, right? Okay. Now let me run as Java application. Okay. Size of int type what? 4 bytes. Min value range minus 21 something. Okay. Max value range 21 something. Understand, guys? Everyone? Let's suppose int. Okay. Int mobile number. Tell me what is the mobile number? 987654321 0. 10 digits only, right? It is what it is saying. We are getting compile time error. Why? What is the range of this int type? 21, right? 21 4748 3647. But this is what? Okay,
9.
right? So this is out of the int range. So that's why we are getting. Understand? What is the compile time error we will see? Come on. This 9876, what kind of type it is? Number type, number data type only, right? Number type literal only, right? Okay. So that time, what we will see, guys? What we will see finally? What type of compile time error we will see? Yeah, possible loss of precision. Okay. Found long
out of range.
Okay.
Right.
Found long required int. Okay. So like this we will see. If you are trying to assign some other type, what we will see? Out of what do you call member data type? If you want to assign other type literal, what we will see? Incompatible types. Understand, guys? Okay,
Yeah.
everyone. So no need to discuss, right?
Yes.
Much on this. Next one is what? Long, guys. Okay, we'll go with long data type. Next one. Come on, tell me. Long. What is the size of long, guys?
Ready.
8 bytes. Right?
Okay.
Range. What is the range, guys? 8 bytes means how many bits? Come on, guys. Okay, let me someone go to
64
mute.
bits.
8 bytes
64
means
bits.
64.
64 bits.
64 means what is the range? 2 power
2
minus?
power 63.
Minus 2 power of 60.
63.
63.
2 power 63 minus 1.
Minus 2 power 63 to 2
2 power
power
63
63
-1.
-1. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, guys, this is the range of long data type. So, okay, so if any value, okay, any literal value, okay, number type value, which is out of, okay, int range, okay, then that time we will go for long data type. Okay, guys, sometimes int may not enough, okay. If you want to, okay, assign, assign a value, okay, which is out of int range, okay, then we will go for long type. Okay, understand, guys? Sometimes int may not enough to hold big value, then we should go for what? Long data type. Okay, understand? So when we will go for actually long type, see, this is mobile number. Okay. So if you want to hold the mobile number, if you want to store the mobile number, so then that time we will go for long data type. Let's suppose we have a so let's suppose in real world we have a Bhagavad Gita book, guys. Okay. So you know the real Bhagavad Gita, okay, who has written the Vyas Maharshi. You know how many volumes we have? I think 10 volumes here. Okay, the book content. 10 volumes. Each volume has around 3,000 pages, it seems. 3,000 or 5,000 pages, it seems. Okay. See, like that, for all the, the Bhagavad Gita, for the 10 volumes, okay, if you combine into one PDF, okay, otherwise one kind of, okay, one soft copy, how many pages we have? We may have multiple pages, many pages. Okay. For each page, how many characters we have? We may have, okay, multiple characters. So just I want to count, okay, all the Bhagavad Gita characters. So that time, what kind of data type it will be useful, guys? Int may not be sufficient, right? So for that time, we will go for long data type. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
So otherwise,
Yeah,
let
yes,
me,
sir.
there is a requirement called, hey boss, can you please found, okay, the light. Okay. So I want to see, um, the light traveling distance per 1 year. Okay. If someone will ask like that, okay, so for that int is not at all sufficient, you know, right? Per second, okay, the light will travel around 125 miles, you know, for 1 second. So that is the light traveling time, guys, per second. So like that, if you there someone is asked for 1 year, so then int may not be sufficient, right? So by that time you need to go for long data type. Okay, so the same thing you can see if you want practically, we will see, guys. Here only we will put, right? Let me put. Let me copy this. Okay, no need to type again. Triveni, understanding, right? Now, so size of this is what long, right? Let me put long. This is what int, right? Yeah, int. Okay. This is what short, right? Let me put like this. No, this is long. Here what I need to put?
Long.
Wrapper class I have to use. You have to tell wrapper class. Okay. For every primitive data type, so there is a wrapper class, guys, right? Already we
Yeah.
discussed, no need to discuss. Okay. So now let me compile. Sorry, compilation already taken care by the ID itself. Let me run. What did he say? The literal int is out of range. Where something we did here, mobile number, right? Let me comment. Now run as Java application. You know, okay. What is the int type? Here I am writing int type. Let me put long, right? See now, 8 bytes. Okay. Size of long type is 8 bytes, guys. What is the min value? This one. What is the max value range? This one. Okay. Hope you understand, right? Okay. See here. Here. Okay. I'm putting. So this is what? Long type, right? Okay. I'm assigning. So that's what yesterday we just now we see, right? Error message. This is int. Okay. But I am trying to assign long value. Okay. I'm trying to assign long value. Okay. What we are getting? Let's give me 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, come on. So I think you understood, right? What is the long? Okay. What is the int? Okay. So if you put here long, then automatically the issue will go on. Okay. So here, see why it is saying by default every integral type it is converted into int type, right? Treated as int type. So then if you put even long also, what it is saying, this is the int type. Okay. So you want to put some prefix L, guys. Okay. Long means you have to explicitly put the prefix L. Okay. If you put capital L also, no issue. Understand, guys? Everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right?
Luz.
Yeah. So I think now completely completed long type also. Now, what is the next type, guys? What is the next type after long?
Float.
After long, what is the next type?
Float.
Float. Okay. Floating point. See. Now, as of now, so what are the data types we see? Byte, short, int, long, right? So all these are which type of data types, guys? Integral data types, right? Okay. All the above data types, byte, short, int, long, meant for what? Representing integral values, right? All the above data types. Okay. What are those? Byte, short, int, long. Okay, are meant for come on, integral data types, right?
Integral data type.
Representing integral data types. Still people are joining, representing integral data types. Okay. If we want to represent floating point values, then we should go for floating point data types. There is other one, right?
Yes, sir. Float
Okay.
double.
Next one, floating point data types we have, right? If you want to represent floating point values, then we should go for floating point data types, guys. Okay. Now we will see floating point data types now. Floating point data types. Okay. Floating point data types we will see now. What are the floating point data types we have? in Java?
Float
Float and
double.
double.
Float and double, right? So when we will use these floating point data types, guys? When we will use this floating point data type?
Decimal values.
Decimal values.
Decimal values. Okay. So sometimes in real time, okay, we need to assign decimal values also. Okay, the best example, the bank account. Okay, the bank balance. If you see all the bank balance and comes on, if you see all the bank balance, in the which format you will see decimal values or normal floating point values? The floating point, right? You will see the decimal, okay, number. So let's suppose 10,000, okay, 565 dot, okay, 70 paisa, like that we will see, right? Okay, so that time we need to use these floating point data types, guys. Okay, so we have float and double. Okay, so when we will use for float, when we will use for double, okay, when we will use for float, when we will use for double. Let me put now float. Okay. What happened this way? Okay, now float I am putting first. Okay, we will see for float. Actually, when we will use float, if you want, okay, 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy, then we should go for float, guys. Okay, let's suppose, let me take one floating point value here, 1.2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that we have. Okay, like that we have. I want only 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy. Okay, understand? I want only after decimal first 5 letters. Okay, first 4 or 5 or 6 letters accuracy is enough. So then we will go for floating point. Understand or not? If you want 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy, then we should go for float, guys. Understand? Here 1.2, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So up to here, I want exact accuracy value. Okay. So after that, I'm not going to take in care. Okay. So then this time we will go for float data type, guys. Understand? Okay. So float follows single precision. Float follows single precision. Okay. See, actually, what is the size of float, guys? What is the size of float? Come on. 4 bytes.
32
Okay. 4 bytes, guys. Okay. So what is the range of size? This one. What is the range? Float range. Come on. Minus 3.4. Okay. G. Okay. 38. To. Come on. 3.4. Now positive, right? 3.4 E. 38. Understand? So this is the range of float. Here E means what? E means what? It's a decimal, guys. Minus, okay, it will give like minus 3.4. 3.4 into, tell me, into 10
10
power,
power 38.
10
38.
power, 10 power 38, guys. Understand? 10 power 38. Okay. So he means 10 power, guys. Okay, 10 power 38. So this is the value range. Okay. Understand, guys? Okay. So if you want to see the 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy, then we will go for float, guys. But now we'll come to double. Double. Okay. What is the size of double, guys? What is the size of double?
8 bytes.
8 bytes. Okay. 8 bytes. Oh, what is the range? What is the range? Okay. Here minus 1.7. Okay. E 308 to, okay, 1.7 E 308. So this is the range. C means 10. Okay. So if you want 14 to 15 decimal place of accuracy, then we should go for double. Okay. If you want 14 to 15 decimal place, places of accuracy, then we should go for double, guys. Float for what? Only 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy is enough. Only 5 to 6 decimal places of accuracy is enough. Then we will go for float. But if you want 14 to 16 digits of decimal places accuracy, then we will go for double, guys. Let's suppose if I am giving 10 divided by 3. So what is the value, guys? 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3, what is the value?
3.33.
Huh? 3.333333 the lifetime, infinitive, right? Understand? But here, for floating, I want to see after decimal only 5 characters, 5 digits. That's it. Then we will go for floating point. Okay. I want to see after decimal 14 to 15 places, 15 digits. Then I should go for double. Guys, understood or not? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, understood.
Okay. So for floating point, what is the by default type, you know? Double, guys. What is the by default type? For integral, what is the by default type? Int. For floating, what is the by default type? Double.
Double.
Okay. We'll see in Eclipse. Let me copy this. This is what? Float, right? Want to see float. Now, okay. So now, this is float, right? What is the wrapper class for float? Float only, right?
Float.
Float. Okay. Min value range 1.4 E minus 45. So max value range 3.4 E 38 something, guys. Okay. Might be they changed. Okay. So this is the float range. Okay. Understand? If you see the application, this is the min value range. This is the max value range. Okay. For float. We'll see for double. Double, right? Here what? Double. Yeah. Bigger. Okay. 8 bytes. 4.9 E minus 34 and max value 1.7 something something something. Okay, E308. So this is the min value range and max value range for float and double. Okay, here I am displaying float. Double. Yeah. Okay, guys, everyone understood, right? Now, so what I'm saying now, what is the default type? Let me write float. Okay. Float f equals to, okay, I'm writing 3.24. Okay, 3.25. Sorry, 3.25. Why it is showing error? I'm giving the valid only, right? After decimal, we will see 4 to 5 digits of accuracy. Okay, I'm giving the exact value, right? 3.25. Tell me, why I'm getting compile time error here? Hmm? Why I'm getting compile time error?
Automatically
It is only up to
double automatically.
Hmm?
Take automatically in double.
Yeah. So by default data type, what it is, guys? Double. Okay. So we are trying to assign double value to float type. So that's why we are getting compile time error. So what we need to put, if you want to represent float literal, you have to keep f as a prefix, guys. Okay. If you put f, then it will treat it as a floating value. Understand? Okay. Now, if I put double, okay, d equals to, okay, something like 3.45, I'm putting. Same value, let me put them, 25. Okay, 3.25. You know, automatically it is taking. Why? 3.25 means by default it is a double type. So we can assign double type value to double data type, right? Okay. So that's why we are not getting any error here. Understand, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
yes, sir.
So by this we completely completed all the number type data types, guys. Okay. Numeric data types also we completed. Floating point data types also we completed. Okay. So the float. Okay. You want to see, come on. If you want to see 5 to 6 digits of accuracy, we need to go for float. Okay. Float follows single precision. Okay, double. If you want to see 14 to 16 digits of accuracy, then we need to go for double data type. Okay, double follows, okay, double precision. That's it, guys. Okay, understood, right? Next. So what is the other data type, guys? What is the other data type now?
Flow control data type.
Numeric data types.
How many data types? So already we completed 6 data types. Out of 8, we have 2 more. Next one, Boolean, right? Boolean data type. Come on, tell me what is the Boolean data type?
It is a flag which consists of true or false.
Yeah. So what is the size of Boolean, guys?
No size.
No
No
What is the
size.
size of Boolean? What is the range of Boolean?
Not applicable.
Okay. Actually, size not applicable, guys. Understand? Boolean, there is no size, guys. Okay. It's completely virtual machine dependent. The range also not applicable. Okay. Do you have any range? What we will see for Boolean means what are the types, what are the values we are appending, we are assigning for Boolean data type variable? Only true or false, right?
True or false.
Only, what are the allowed values, guys? True or false, right? Okay, not applicable. For Boolean data type, allowed values are, okay, either true or
false.
Okay. Only these are the two values for Boolean data type. Understand everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So let me write here Boolean. Okay. Boolean b equals to true. Is it valid? Tell me guys, is it valid or not?
Yeah,
Hello?
Valid, sir.
Yeah. Now, Boolean, okay, something. C is equal to, I'm giving 0. Is it valid or not?
Not valid.
Not valid, sir.
What is the compile time error we will see?
Comparable error.
Type mismatch.
Incompatible type.
Incompatible type. Okay.
Type
Found
found
in
in
the
required
Boolean.
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 Yeah. So now I'm adding Boolean. Okay. So d equals to, I'm adding true, guys. What is the value now? Let me to flag, guys. Okay. I'm writing only B and C. Okay. Here variable name. This is what is flag, guys? Here variable name. This is what Boolean means what? Data type. This is what? Literal.
Literals.
Constant value. The value
Constant value.
which we are assigning to variable. Okay. Now tell me true. Is it valid or false? I mean, valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Why invalid? Java is case sensitive, right? So here true should be P should be small letter. Okay. So what is the compile time error we will see here? What is the compile time error we will see here? True means what? It is not a Boolean type. It is not a integral type. It is not a floating point type. It is not a char type. Even it is not a string type. Computer don't know. Understand? Hello?
Yes.
Computer don't know. Then what you will see that compiler don't know anything about. Okay. It will say cannot find symbol. I mean, it is not finding that symbol. Okay. Java program also what developed under some standards, right? Okay. In that standards, no one has given that one. So compiler don't know anything about it. It's simply saying, hey boss, okay, I'm not able to find that symbol. Okay. Variable, what is that symbol? Which symbol it is? Variable, true. What is the location? What is the location? We have to write that one. Understand? Guys, understand?
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Yeah.
Understand. We will see that one also. Okay. Don't worry. No. Oh, sorry. Boolean. Okay. Flag equals to give me. I'm giving. Yeah. Tell me. Is it valid or false? True.
Invalid.
False.
Valid, sir.
What is the compile time error? Valid?
Invalid, sir.
Invalid.
Why it is invalid?
It is string, sir.
String.
String type.
String type. So you need to tell compile time error. Okay. Not invalid. It's a compile time error. What is the compile time error? Same. What is the compile time errors, guys?
Incompatible.
Incompatible type. Found string required Boolean.
Required
Okay.
Boolean.
Now, okay. We'll see. Now, let me go for Eclipse. Okay. We'll write one more example. We'll write in the same example, guys. Can I write
Same
here itself?
example.
Same example.
Same
also
example.
can write it. So we'll see what is the type and all. Okay, for Boolean. They're saying not applicable, right? We'll see. So practically also we will see, guys. I think it won't be here. Size offsets, right? Boolean. The size of Boolean dot. There is no size. See here, right? There is no size variable itself. Okay, so that's what size is not applicable for Boolean, right? If you see even min value max value, if size is not available, then where the min value max value will come, right? Boolean dot. Okay. there is no min value or value here, right? So now this one also not applicable, right? Let me remove all this. Okay, here I'm assigning just tell me boolean flag is equal to just I'm assigning false. True, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Boolean flag 1, okay, equals to I'm assigning true. True, right? So why am I assigning flag 1, guys? If I add same value, same flag, we are getting compile time error. Why? In Java program, okay, we cannot
Variable names are same.
duplicate variable names. Okay, we cannot use duplicate variable names. Always variable names will be variable and methods. What are the variables and methods we are using inside the class? Okay, all should be unique, guys. Okay, we should not use duplicates. Understand? Yeah. So now, true. Now I'm putting boolean flag 2 equals to I'm putting true, guys. See, true cannot be resolved to a variable. Okay, like that it is saying. But if you compile by using command prompt, you will see exact compile time error, I think. Okay, understand, right, everyone? So
Yes, sir.
now let me. So boolean type. What is the applicable values for boolean, guys? False and true, and all should be lowercase. Okay, all should be lowercase. So the only think already written, the only applicable values for come on boolean data type are false and true. Okay, and yeah, all letters should be
In lower.
in lowercase. Okay, so what is the what is the default value for boolean type, guys? Default value for boolean type we will see, but I'm writing here. What is the default value for the boolean type? False, guys. Okay, you not define anything by default value is false. We will see, don't worry. Okay, so this is for boolean, guys. Okay, understand, everyone? Everyone understood, right?
Yeah, yes,
Next,
sir.
what is the other one? Char data type. Okay. If you complete char, okay, then all the data types will be completed. What is the char data type, guys? What is the size of char data type?
2 bytes.
Tell me. Size.
16
2
bytes.
bytes. 2 bytes. What is the range?
Minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15.
Come on. What is the range? 0 to, okay, 65,535. So then this is the range. In old languages like C and C++, okay. So what is the character size? 1 byte, guys. 1 byte means what? 1 byte means what, guys?
8 bits.
8 bits. Okay. 1 byte means what?
8 bits.
8 bits. Okay. Just I'm writing here. Okay. So in old language, guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in old languages like okay C and C++. Oh. That me right now. Let's see. Okay, C and C++. Okay, the old languages in C and C++. Okay, so the char data type is 1 byte, guys. Okay, but now coming to Java, the char data type is 2 bytes. Okay, why in C, C++ 1 byte? Why in Java 2 bytes? Okay, you know, in C, C and C++, okay, 1 byte means what it is, guys? 1 byte means how many bits, guys? 8?
8
8
bits.
bits. Okay, 8 bits, right? So in C and C++, the char data by using char data type, we can okay, we can assign only ASCII characters, guys. Understand? In C and C++, okay, we can assign only ASCII value to the char data type. Okay, understand or not? You want to assign char literal to the some variable, then that time we will go for char data type. Okay, so in old languages and C and C++, what is the size of char data type? 1 byte. Okay, so why 1 byte? In old languages C and C++, only by using char data type we can okay refer ASCII values. Okay, only ASCII characters. How many ASCII characters we have, guys? How many ASCII characters we have? 256 ASCII characters we have. Okay, so what are those? What are those, guys? Small a to capital J, yes, Z. Okay, next capital letter A to
Capital.
Capital
Z.
Z.
Next 0 to 9. Okay, next special characters. Okay, dollar, hash, like that we have, right? Dollar, hash, like that we have, right? So on. Guys, understand? Like that we
Yes.
have, right? Up
Yes,
to
sir.
enter keyboard also. Okay, all these are what? ASCII characters. Okay, if you count all these 256, guys, if you see your keyboard, if you see your keyboard characters, okay, so if you count all these things, okay, it's around 256 characters. Understand? Now, in the old language C and C++, okay, 8 bits, right? 8 bits, right? 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, right? So now, if you see one bit, if you take 1 bit, guys, if you take 1 bit, okay, for 1 bit, how can we represent, guys? How many values we can represent? 1 bit means, so by default, everything will be stored into binary format only, right? In the bit format only, right? Either 0 or 1, right? Either 0 or 1. So that is the value we will store, right? Binary format only we will store in, okay, in the computer. So how many here? 2, right? Now, 2 bits means what? 2 bits means what? How many? 4, right? 2 power 2. Come on, guys.
4.
3 bits means what? How many?
6.
6.
2 cube. 6 are.
8.
2
8.
power 3. 8.
8.
8,
8.
sir.
So like that. So here 1 bit means either 0 or 1, right? 0, 1. So that is the format max we can store. But 2 means what? 0, 1, 1, 0. Combination, guys. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Understand? 4. Understand or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
understand, sir.
Understand.
Okay. Next 3 bits. 3 bits means what? 1, 0, 0. Okay. 1, 0, 1. Right? Like 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So like that, how many combinations we have? 8. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you see, I mean, 4 bits means, 4 bits means how many? 16.
16.
16.
Okay. We go for next one. 5 bits. 2 power 5,
32.
32.
32.
Next one.
2
6
4
bits.
6
64.
64.
64.
4.
Next one.
128.
128.
How many bits here? 6 completed. Now 7.
7th one.
7 means what? How many? 128.
128.
Next. 8 bits. 8 bits means what? How many?
256.
256.
256.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
8 bits.
256.
256.
Understood, right? So
Yes, sir.
by using
yes, sir.
8 characters, by using 1 byte, you can store maximum, 256
bits.
characters. Understand? 256 characters we can store. Okay. If you see all the ASCII characters, what are the how many ASCII characters we have? 256. So that's
256.
why in C and C++, what is the what is the size of this char data type, guys? 1 byte. Okay. 1 byte means 8 bits. In C and C++, by using char data type, we can represent only ASCII characters. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
So that's why 256 characters. Okay. Now, coming to Java. Now, we can coming to Java. So what is the character value for A, small a, guys? Tell me what
55.
is the character value for small a? A is equal to 97, huh? Okay. So what is the value of capital A, guys?
65.
65. 65. Okay. So these are the what? ASCII values, guys.
ASCII values.
Okay. So like that, by using C and C++, by using char data type, we can represent at most ASCII characters. Okay. So like that, for every character what you see in our keyboard, there is a specific value, guys. Okay. So that's why by using C++, at most we can represent only ASCII values for char type. Okay. So now coming to Java. This 256 ASCII characters also we can represent, guys. These 256 ASCII characters also we can represent. Okay. Understand? Here, in order to addition to the 256 characters, what we can represent? Okay. Addition to these. Okay. Addition to this, what we can represent, guys? Unicode characters. Okay, Unicode characters also we can represent. Here what? Only ASCII code, ASCII characters. ASCII code characters. Okay, but here even Unicode characters also we can represent, guys. Even Unicode characters also we can represent. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the Unicode characters? What are the Unicode characters? See, in worldwide, how many languages we have? We have many languages. In worldwide, we have many languages, right? Let's now consider to Telugu. Telugu, what are the alphabets, guys? We have? What are the alphabets we have? A to A, right? So you can write it here. Write A, right? A to last one. Tell me, hey, Telugu people. You're not learning Allah. What is the last character? Bandira. Oh my God. మీరు ఎవరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకున్నారా స్టార్టింగ్ లో వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా నేర్చుకున్నారా డైరెక్ట్ ఏబిసిడియా చెప్పండి గైస్ టెల్ మీ యార్
We know, sir.
Telugu people, you don't know?
No, sir.
You know, right? Then why you guys are not telling? Okay. So In Telugu, we have A, right? In English languages, anyway, we have A to Z, right? So in Hindi also we have, right? What are the Hindi alphabets? A, right? And last one?
Yeah.
Kshatra, Jna, I think, right? Jna. So this is the Jna, right? Okay. Let's assume this is the Jna. Okay. So Ajna. So like that, we have Tamil. We have here Vignesh and Rajesh. Okay. So they know something, their letters. Okay. So like that, we have in Chinese also, they have their own alphabets. Understand, right? So represent, okay, any regional languages alphabets. Okay. These, the 256. Okay. So if you consider all the characters, if you consider all the worldwide languages, how many letters we have, 65,535 guys. 65,535. To represent all these characters, okay, all the regional language letters and all, alphabets and all, okay, 1 byte data is not sufficient. By using 1 byte, how many characters we can represent by max? 256, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Only 256. But by using, if you represent this all the worldwide languages alphabets, okay, the 1 byte data is not at all sufficient. Okay. So in order to, okay, represent all worldwide languages in Java, we need to increase char data type size. So that's why in Java, what is the size, guys?
2 bit.
In Java, what is the size? 2 bytes, guys. Okay. 2 bytes means what? 16 bit, right? 2 bytes what? 16 bit.
16 bit.
16 bit means what? 2 power 6 means what? 2 power 16 means what? 65,535 only. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
65,536.
Yeah, understand.
65,536. Just calculate, guys. 2 power 16. 65,536. Okay. But if you consider range 0 to, so that's what the range means here. What we are saying, 0 to 65,535. Already 0 we calculated, right? So that's what -1. So 65,535. 0 to 65,535 characters. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why in Java char data type has 2 bytes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why in Java we have 2 bytes, guys. To represent these many characters, okay, 8 bit, okay, 8 bits may not be, come on guys, may not be sufficient, right?
Sufficient.
Okay, then we should go for what? We should go for,
4 bytes.
okay, 16 bits. Okay, so that's why, so in Java, okay, size of char type is 2 bytes. Understand, guys, everyone?